Well, that's right. More than 20 states, not including California, filed this lawsuit in federal court to continue Title 42, a CDC policy put in place at the start of the pandemic. It was a Trump-appointed judge in Louisiana who issued today's ruling that will maintain this policy of expelling migrants for the foreseeable future.
This is a tragic decision. It's going to impact the lives of a lot of people who have been waiting for a long time to seek safety.
Alex Mensing is with Innovation Law Lab, a nonprofit that advocates for increased legal representation for those seeking asylum in the United States.
A lot of fear, a lot of desperation. A lot of people had their hopes set on May 23rd. People who have been waiting here for, at this point, months, if not years.
Among them are Alicia Duran Raimundo, her partner, and their 6-year-old daughter, who fled El Salvador after gang members threatened to torture and kill them. They've been waiting months in Tijuana, hoping to live with family here in California while seeking asylum. A motion to intervene in this federal lawsuit was filed on their behalf, as well as Innovation Law Lab, arguing that a court order maintaining Title 42 should only apply to states involved in the suit. The judge who ultimately denied the request wrote in his decision that ending Title 42 would result in immediate and irreparable harm due to a projected increase in border crossings and overcrowded processing facilities, placing a strain on healthcare and education systems here in the U.S.
I believe it has nothing to do with those issues.
Enrique Morones is executive director of Gente Unida, a nonprofit which advocates for immigrants' rights. He says this decision has nothing to do with public health and is instead politically motivated.
Let's let them in a safe, organized manner so they could appear before an asylum judge, because otherwise they're going to do the old way, which was jumping over the wall. People are dying. Children are being left out there by unethical smugglers. And that is chaos. That's something that we don't want.
Mensing, who's living in Tijuana, says that while these migrants are waiting, often in overcrowded shelters, they face dangerous, sometimes deadly challenges.
They're extorted by the police, they're robbed, they face kidnapping attempts. So the kinds of perils that people face being stuck without being able to exercise that right to seek asylum are terrible.
And this evening, the U.S. Justice Department said that it plans to appeal this decision, adding that the CDC has the authority to end Title 42.